Vincent Monda kurwase ekaunti ya Nyamira togosika bosio mwanchu morigaria ekero orasorboti rokubwatia nigobono ababwatani AOAO kurwase ebyombe biribitene tamang'ana Chiekerero nabo kurwase University AOAO banyana koba bagokora EGEIKARO ime y'umucho NAIROBI ase bakwanire obuya bukubwaterera Bwe'Chinchera Chiekerero koboko egati yabari baikirana ase EGEIKARO no muriki Obotambe ase ewizara hetene tamang'ana EGEIKARO na magandra se chinka mu Professor Constantine Nyamboga amona abande asibona bakwanire obuya bukubwaterera Bwe'Chinchera Chiekerero koboko eriokoira obokoreri bwense ya Kenya bosio ase amatuko anke.
As a ministry responsible for gender, culture, and children's services, we sit at a vital intersection of people, identity, values, and inclusion. Our role is to ensure that we embrace digital transformation. We do so in a way that is inclusive, ethical, and reflective of our national values. We are committed to ensuring that technology does not marginalize, but rather empowers all Kenyans. This conference aligns strongly with the government of Kenya's broader development agenda, that is the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, and the digital economy blueprint, which prioritizes digital skills, innovation, inclusion, and knowledge systems as key drivers of national growth. Kenya continues to position itself as a regional leader in digital transformation.
Libraries have survived every major information revolution. That is something that we must take into note, from the scroll to the codex, from print to digital. But again, remember, the question before us is not whether libraries will survive AI, but how libraries will shape a future in which knowledge remains trustworthy, inclusivity, and human-centered. When it comes to artificial intelligence, because especially when you are doing currently almost all our curriculums at the university level, whether you are in nursing, or whether you are in medicine, whether you are in information science, knowledge management, and so forth, AI is key. So artificial intelligence, for those who are information workers in general, whether locally or abroad, note that it is not replacing libraries. That's again from the point of Kenya Library Association. It is redefining how libraries create, organize, discover, and deliver knowledge. Throughout history, libraries have adapted from create applets to manuscript, from print to digital corrections. AI represents the next phase of that evolution. Digital humanities, which was one of the key sub-themes, has always represented the intersection of technology, culture, history, language, and scholarship. Libraries are no longer merely custodians of knowledge.